Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the boring pips expert advisor for MT4 and MT5. The name sounds exactly like what most traders want: steady, low drama profits on quiet pairs. So let's see if it actually delivers or if there's more to the story. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and you can get it for free, completely free, by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out, it's actually worth it. And about the boring pips expert advisor, it was developed by T Tao Huang. I think that's a Chinese man, and he describes it as a low risk multi-pair scalper focused on AUD card, AUD NZD, and NZD card on the 5-minute time frame. It looks for small mean reversion opportunities in these tightly correlated commodity currencies, and it takes quick profits and it uses careful filters to stay out of bad conditions according to what is being marketed. And it's also available on MetaTrader 4. You can check it out. This is the link to check it out on MetaTrader 4, and this is it on MetaTrader 4. It's exactly the same thing but just different platforms. And also they emphasize that it's not aggressive, it has auto lot sizing, it has spread protection, position limits, and drawdown safeguards. The whole system is built for consistency rather than home run trades, and they back this up with multi-year backtest showing the huge compounded growth and several live signals running in both low risk and higher risk modes. Have all of that in the images here. This is exactly how the expert advisor works, and you can see this is their backtest results from what they preach, and this is their live signal. But this is a screenshot. I actually tried to check the live signal here, but there was nothing on the live signal. Okay, this is it. All right, here we have the low risk and we also have the high risk. Have the low risk signal, live signal of the boring pips, and we also have the high risk. I'm looking at the low risk right now. We have a 64% win rate and 419 trades in profit out of 650 trades in total. So that is impressive, and this has been running since September 2023, and we are currently in May 2026. So it has had a 195% growth since then. So this is impressive for the low risk signal which they've published. And also talking about their backtest, we also have their backtest numbers right here, and this is a backtest number from 2010 to 2023. This is how it looks. From an initial deposit of $1,000, they are preaching $87 million from $1,000. But over the span of 13 years, I would say okay. And their gross profit is about over $131 million, and win rate is 72 to 73 percent, 72 to 73%. And this is exactly what's on their backtest. Remember, this backtest has been running for 13 years. So all of these numbers are expected, the huge numbers, especially from $1,000. And it also lines up with their signal. Their signal shows 64% in about 3 years. So it's almost, this is 64%, and that's all for their low risk signal. They also have the high risk signal, but that's all from the developer. As for the features and settings that they talk about, we have the multi-pair trading. They also talk about low risk mode. We have base balance. For auto lot calculation, we have max spread filter, and we also have the maximum open trades per group, the ability to close all positions if drawdown gets too high, and there is also the maximum open trades which you can open, and it's pretty straightforward. It only works on 3 pairs: AUD, NZD, and NZD card and AUD card. And this is all from the developer. I had the opportunity to backtest this expert advisor myself on MT5. I tested it on AUD card from April 2025 to April 2026 with a $10,000 deposit, and the equity curve is mostly a nice steady upward grind with some healthy pullbacks. As you can see, some healthy pullbacks here and there, but it finished around 2,417 USD profit. That's about 24% gain, and also we have a profit factor of 1.53, and max equity drawdown is 23.6%, and the win rate is about 61% win rate on 199 trades in total. So that's all from my backtest numbers, and the developers long-term backtest look way more explosive, but this recent year gives a more realistic picture of how it works right now. And the settings that actually matter are the risk mode, the auto lot size, and auto lot base balance. We also have the max spread of 10 pips and position limits. All of this can be set in the inputs. Also, you can decide to turn on or turn off the martingale strategy or the grid strategy. All of this, they are in the settings in case you want this expert advisor to work that way. But in this backtest, I'm just using the default settings, so this is exactly my settings and all the inputs I used to get the result which I did in my backtest. Honestly, this is one of the cleaner low risk basket scalpers out there. The thing is, even though it's called boring in quotes, it can still drop 20 to 25% during bad periods where one of those pair trends hard, and it's a very spread sensitive expert advisor. It needs a proper raw spread broker. Profit and drawdowns will differ a lot depending on market conditions and the lot size or risk level that you choose. I'll say that this expert advisor is for patient traders who want to set and forget on quiet pairs, and these traders already have a low spread account and can comfortably handle 20 to 25% drawdowns. It's solid for portfolio balance. Beginners or anyone wanting fast action on major moving pairs like gold or Euro USD, GBP USD, they should probably skip this expert advisor. It mainly deals on quiet pairs. So if you like this type of expert advisor reviews, hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on our videos, which will be dropping as time goes on. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot which I talked about in the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.